Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about 20 ways to make $2,000 a month and how I do it. If you are still struggling to make money online or you are just a beginner at making money, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. How cool would it be to get $2,000 every month in your bank account? With that much money, you could get a lot of time back. I've already tried the method, so you don't have to waste your time. So, how do you do it? Make apps in 30 to 60 minutes without having to code. I make apps on the website Quick Ninja app, which helps with everything from A to Z. You don't need to know how to code to make the app, and it can be made in 30 to 60 minutes. Then you add ads with Google Ad More. And finally, you publish the app with Google Play Console. I've only made 2 apps so far, but I plan to work toward having 20 to 25 apps running. But my income speaks for itself. It's not as hard as you would think. So the title said 20 ways, and you would get 20 ways, but not 20 different ways to make $2,000 a month. So what do I mean by this? Here are some ways to make $2,000 a month. If one app makes 66.66 US dollars a month, that's $2,000 a month. 2 apps that make 33.33 US dollars a month add up to 2,000 US dollars a month. 3 apps that make $22.22 per day equals $2,000 per month. 4 apps that make $16.66 a day add up to $2,000 a month. If 5 apps earn $13.33 a day, that's $2,000 a month as well. 6 apps making $11.11 per day add up to $2,000 per month. So do the calculation and go up to 20 apps making $3 per day equals $2,000 per month. You see, the more apps you make, the less money each one has to bring in for you to make $2,000 per month. And if you only want to make $1,000 per month, each app has to bring in even less money. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.